You can buy GameStop, AMC, Nokia, or BlackBerry stocks on Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab's, and others. What's up, guys? My name is Ilya and welcome to my channel. Today, I want to discuss the situation that happened overnight. Major brokerage platforms just canceled our money, like legit. They decided overnight that now you cannot buy, invest, and make money on these platforms because of the volatility and what is going on in the world with GameStop, AMC, short squeezes, and all this stuff. Well, this is craziness. Free market, free the market. I think that it's so disrespectful to people. Robinhood is totally done. They were number one app with free trading. So many young people, 18 years old, even 16 years old, registered there, did their first step, invested money, made some money. Do you remember a year ago they had a situation when Corona happened? It was the biggest down day and they were glitching, lagging, people lost money. Guess what? Now, this week, it's the best week to make money with all short squeeze, with Wall Street bets and other all media people talking about it. All bloggers, vloggers, celebrities, everybody is talking about it. And it's such a great opportunity to make money. And guess what? Everybody's trying to save their own backs. Robinhood, TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab decided that they would rather cancel opportunity to buy and sell these stocks rather than get some problems, get in trouble from SEC and stuff like that. Even Democrats and Republicans are together. AOC and Donald Trump Jr. talked about it and they said that this is crazy, and at the same time it's amazing that regular people who are in trouble right now during all this corona pandemic can make money, can join the market, can actually fight with Wall Street. And Wall Street didn't like that. They're losing a lot of money because of regular people, and they decided just to cancel everything, and they decided to just close everything. And this is market manipulation, in my opinion. Everybody's talking about Wall Street bets and others, that they manipulate the market, but let's be honest, talking about certain stocks, it's not a market manipulation. First Amendment, freedom of speech, and Wall Street bets, it's a freedom of speech. And what happens right now with all this brokerage, it's not freedom at all, it's not a free market. They just decided, hey, volatility is too high, I think we're gonna have some problem. Also, SEC just texted and tweeted that, hey, we're taking care of this situation, we're looking at it, and Robinhood decided to bounce. TD Ameritrade, Charles Schwab, they're huge companies, and everybody understood when they said like, oh, sorry, you can't trade. But Robinhood, come on, you have to take money from the rich and give it to the regular people. And what do we do? Absolutely opposite. They just decided to mess around with people's money, just mess around with their customers, and now they're showing that market is not free, that everything is sketchy, and that for regular people it's much harder to make money than for Wall Street billionaires. And by the way, I'm not a financial advisor, this is just my opinion, so don't do what I'm saying and don't listen to me if you don't want to. And hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Help me out. So all these weeks we were talking about GameStop, AMC, Nokia, BlackBerry, and a lot of people made a lot of money. As we all know, the Deep F value made millions of dollars for playing this game, the market, and everybody decided that he is a genius. But it doesn't matter, even if you're a genius, the Wall Street won't let you make money. And I'm pretty sure right now everybody invested in AMC, GameStop, Nokia, and other companies, they will lose money because you can't buy more. So if you can't buy more, everybody will panic sell and the Wall Street will win, the price will collapse, and regular people will lose money. All these stimulus checks and all this stuff won't help you because Robinhood and other platforms just decided to stop trading these stocks. You can sell, but you cannot buy. But if you can't buy something, it means it's going down. I think there are a couple platforms that will allow you to do that. Webull and other Cash App, I think, but I'm not sure about it. And this is just crazy. What a time to be alive. It's craziness. I don't know how this is legal. I don't know since when brokerage can decide what to trade and what not to trade. And this is just weird because I use my own money to buy, trade, and make some money, and somebody will tell me that I can't. This is craziness. The Wall Street and the stock market won't be the same. This is just my opinion. I think something is coming, maybe more regulation, maybe just changing in rules and laws. But if we're talking about law and order, it seems like what Robinhood and other platforms did, it's not law and it's not an order. It's a mess. A mess, and this is a war between Wall Street and regular people. And right now, Robinhood is on the side of Wall Street. That's it. This is just my opinion once again, and I think this is just crazy, and we'll see. I don't know if it's gonna last long. Maybe we'll allow back trading today, maybe tomorrow, maybe in a week, but only one thing that we can do is hold, and hold, because if you sell, everybody will lose money, but if you hold, we'll win. But again, I'm not an advisor, don't listen to me. This video is just my opinion. Good luck, team, stay safe, and don't waste your money. Click the like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you soon.